Ayun, kamusta mga pinsan? So tulad nga ng pinangako ko sa inyong lahat, patutuloy namin kayo sa aming munting tahanan. So welcome. Tara! So ever since na magsimula yung lockdown, we are entering to our garage. Hindi namin ginagamit yung main door. That's a protocol for all of the member of the family. And then Sabi muna natin yung gate. Then we have this guideline na kailangan sundin. Gumamit ng hand sanitizer. As you can read naman, kumuha ng wipes pagbukas ng pinto, itapon ng wipes malapit sa basurahan pagpasok ng bahay, ilagay ang bag sa laundry area at magpalit ng damit sa laundry area. And kung hindi nyo kayang sumunod, ayan, kung ayaw nyo sumunod, dyan na lang kayo sa garahe. As you can see. So we're gonna do those stops. We're gonna do those things first bago tayo pumasok ng loob sa loob ng bahay. So welcome. So dito namin lalagay mga sapatos namin na pang-alis. Usually mga beater shoes. As you can see. Our laundry, which is I think nasama o na picture ko na sa isang vlog ko while cleaning my shoes. Dito rin namin pinapatulog yung mga bisita namin na if we do have some visitor from labas ng Calgary or if they wanna stay. And we do have the double deck here, and then we do have the bed there as well, and then they can sleep here as well. Then this is my dad's room. Hindi na tayo papasok kasi medyo makalat, as you can see. And then we don't know kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na nakakalat dyan. So I'm gonna show you our entertainment room, or kung saan kami tumatanggap ng guests. Entertainment room, or dito kami tumatanggap ng mga guests whenever we do have parties like birthday parties, Christmas, or etc. And then I think, as far as I remember, we're here since 2015 or 16. So nung lumipat kami rito, I think 2-3 months, March 15, birthday ng mom namin. So me and my sister decided to bought this one. I think ang presyo nito, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, is roughly 16,000 or 15,000 something, ganon. As you can see, it's really elegant, saka bagay siya sa bahay. It looks like a sunflower na parang araw na mirror. And then I just wanted to tell you guys na this house is my mom bought this one. She's been working 15 years outside our country, so 15 taon siyang mula sa Pilipinas bago niya mabili itong bahay na to. So as I'm saying, everything utang namin lahat sa kanya, and then she just wanted a fair share from us, from me and my sister, kasi kami naman yung tumutuloy dito. She's asking us to pay water bill, electricity, phone, then cables, and then some grocery. Then I wanted to show you this one. This is a bragging rights as well. I don't remember if was last year when Barack Obama, he went to Calgary. Meron siyang parang speech which is lasted for 45 minutes. And then talagang mga prestiyosong tao lang yung mga pwedeng magpa-picture sa kanya during that time. Siguro 20 people lang silang. I just wanted to show you guys na my mom is one of them. I wanted to but I cannot apparently, and then late din akong dumating dun sa event, which is tapos na yung picture taking. My mom cannot like sneak me through para magpa-picture. I love to, trust me. I think sa mga napunta ko mga ganito na event na nag-speech yung isa sa mga matataas na tao or tinitikan lang tao sa lipunan is Barack Obama. Sobrang galing niya magsalita talaga and very humble as well. And then my mom, as pinag-uusapan natin, there's my mom. She's just gonna drop some grocery stuff for us.
Yeah.
And then we have this as well. It's a bragging right. Wala pa kami rito sa Calgary nung nakunan to. Hillary Duff. No, I'm just kidding. This is Hillary Clinton. I'm not sure anong event to. Anong event to?
It's like a chamber of commerce, I think.
Yeah, but sa mga sa businessman then I'm not sure if she's a businessman or what, but as you can see, there's prominent people na madalas niyang kasama sa picture. Yun.
Groceries.
So, itong picture na to, I just wanted to flex it. Panauhing pandangal siya nito. She donated a gym. Like, yung school na yan, dun siya nag-aaral nung elementary. So, yeah, nag-donate siya ng gym para sa school so they can hold their program there like graduation or something. It's a covered one, right? Covered court gym. Then, tinakpan natin yung mga mukha na kasama sa picture kasi we don't know if they wanted. This is the mayor and then I'm not sure kung sino yung babae sa may left side ng mom namin. Ito din yung extension ng entertainment room or yung pinagtatanggapan namin ng bisita. Sorry makalat. As these are the flags na ginagawa namin for Miguel. Then we have a long table as well there. And then just like any other Filipino family, we do have this one as here, the Last Supper. So ito yung likod bahay namin. Kasama na natin pa ito sa inyo. Bahay namin. Usually pag summer or walang snow or walang yellow rito, dito madalas yung inuman saka barbecuehan. This is our living room. As you can see, daming kalat. Nagising na. Good morning. Gising ka na? Where is Kuya? Drums? Are you gonna play drums? Yeah, so totally playground to ng mga bata, as you can see. Then we're gonna head out. I'm just gonna show you quick our room. Tapos ito yung isang room ko, which is ginawa naming sleeping quarter or dito kami natutulog tabi-tabi. Dahil tradition natin mga Pinoy yung magkakatabi pa, diba? Pagka bata pa yung baby or maliliit pa yung kids. I'm not sure dun sa mga mayayaman, they do separate their kids habang maliit pa. But me, growing up, nabuhay ako sa mahirap na pamilya or payak na pamilya. Like, we only have this room when I was growing up. Like, ito lang talaga. Tabi-tabi na kami noon. My mom, my dad, tapos ako. Tapos nandito lang yung kusina namin. Talagang sobrang liit lang nung tinitira namin before. And then yung entrada ng bahay, as you can see, ngayon mataas siya. Before, nung lumalaki ako, nagkakaisip ako, hanggang dito lang yung entrada, which is kailangan pag yumuko ng tatay ko para lang makapasok dun sa tinitira namin or inuupahan namin bahay before sa Mandaluyong. Yeah. So this is our room. Kagigising lang nila. Kita nyo kabababa lang nung isa. Si Miguel tulog pa. Then I'm not. This is my sister room. Gising na ata siya, but I'm not gonna enter because you might find something or you might see something na nakakalat. So yun lang. She has her own washroom or bathroom. Then yung bike na, which is we're doing some exercises. So, welcome. Ito yung isang room na before dumating yung wife ko, then my 2 kids, bago sila dumating dito sa Calgary. Literally na playroom ko to. I do have all set up na laruan, which is PS4, then computer, my personal computer. Lahat nakalagay dito. Then my collection, personal collection, like mga sombrero, then anime toys. I'm gonna show you the room, like I'm gonna do another video just showing this room kung ano na siya ngayon. Then I'm gonna show you my collection as well, like anime figures, then some of the shoes na meron ako, and then cup. As you can see, we do have TV here because dyan nga naka-set up before yung mga yung gaming station ko. Ngayon nilabas ko siya doon sa may labas. Hey, what are you doing here? You wanna say hi? Hi?
Hi.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mira. What are you gonna say?
Say good morning. Good morning, Mama. Good morning. What are you playing?
So we decided na magstay sa isang room. Especially lalo na ako, I enjoy having my kids in my room na pag matutulog, lullaby, singing lullabies, playing or laughing with them. Kasi minsan lang naman bata yung mga kids. Like they're growing fast. Like I want to have some time with them bago matulog. So napagdesisyon na namin na kahit hanggang ngayon magkakatabi pa rin kami ng 4. Yon mga pinsan. So sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa tour sa aming bahay, and then what I'm gonna do as much as possible, I'm gonna upload every Saturday or Sunday 8 a.m. Philippine time. And then so I never imagined na magkakaroon kami ng ganito kalaking bahay or dream house. But siguro lots of sacrifice, then hard work, then pananampalataya din sa taas. I cannot ask for more. Talagang kita nyo naman, sobrang blessed kami. I think kung meron man kalusugan na lang ng pamilya, lalo na sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa mundo. Unti paalala lang, mag-iingat tayong lahat. Number 1, unahin natin ang kalusugan natin at lalong lalo na ang kalusugan ng mga pamilya natin. So kita-kits ulit tayo bukas.